Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to set the appearance on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. New, just click to the three line at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the settings section you can find the second button, the preferences, and in the basic section you can find the last option, the appearance. Click that, and here you can select the light mode, the dark mode, or the device settings. Actually I use the device settings because I use dark mode in my device, but if you want to select the light mode, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.